Oh my god, what a day. I'm not sure how much of the footage that I've made before is usable, so it's like the Truman Show. Like, if they knew that I'm making a video today, my neighbor is working in his garden. Welcome again to the footwell light installation in Golf MK7. This is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, click here or check the link in the description, watch it, and basically, in a nutshell, what we have done in the previous episode, in part 1, we've accessed the BCM, the body control module, which is over here, up here. We've added one pin that will control the footwell lights in this car. We've installed a single light for the driver, and we've done all the coding that was necessary to make this work. So the footwell lights turn on when the doors are opened, and we have ambient illumination at night when the doors are closed. We have brightness control from the instrument cluster. So basically, from the coding part, everything is done already. And today I'm installing wiring that goes to the other side of the car. Basically, what you need to do is remove some trim parts. First thing is this piece that goes over here. There's a single Torx screw over here that you need to remove, and then this element pops down. There are two clips, one here, one here. When you grab it and pull it downwards, it will just fall down. Same goes for the other side. To have better access to all this wiring, to guide it properly, you will need to remove this panel. Just pry it from here. There are 3 clips. Then this panel, there's, I believe, 1 clip over here, and after that you will just find your way to remove it. Also, this needs to get out. All these parts were previously removed in the part 1, so check it out, so you can better understand what you need to remove to do this. And after that, let me just turn on my light. After that, when we have access to the interior of the dashboard, I've guided the cable to the other side of the vehicle. Let me just check if you can see it. It's here. It's this one. It goes behind the steering column, behind the brake master cylinder. It goes over there. And here you can see it attached with a zip tie, and it goes to the other side of the car. It's important to do it to do this way, especially if you have, like me, driver's airbag for the footwell, because for driver's knees. Because if the airbag is deployed, you don't want it to pull any cables. You don't want it to be restricted. So it's important to guide the cables as close to the firewall as possible. Best way to do it is find a wiring that's already there, some wiring harness, and go with it. Just zip tie your new wiring to the wiring harness that's already there. Okay, let's go to the other side of the car. And as I said, 1 Torx screw over here, 2 clips here, so you need to pull it downwards. And over here we have pretty much the same as over there. So 3 clips to remove this panel, 1 clip to remove this panel. It's over here. It's a plastic clip, easy to undo, just pull it. And we also needed to release this. It's not removed because we just done it up to here, and with this removed, undone, you can remove this side panel. And you can see where's my light? You can see the wiring over here. It's still not attached properly, but the light is here. I've zip tied it over here just to make sure that there's enough wiring to replace a bulb if there's a need in the future. So you don't need much of it, just a few centimeters is okay. After that you can just pop it in. And right now I'm going to guide this cable somewhere over there, as deep as I can, so it's not in the way, and pretty much that will be all. All it's left is zip tie this cable in 2 or 3 places, assemble the dashboard and center console trim back in place, also this, and let's wait for night. I will show you how this works, how this looks. This is not yet complete. What I mean is, we have the passenger side, we have the driver's side, but there's still wiring over here hidden for future part 3. I know, don't ask me when I will do it, because I don't know. And this wiring will go under the rail and to the seat, and there will be illumination for the back row. It's installed in the front seats. I will show you them maybe. I'm not sure if it's possible, but somewhere over here there's a hole for the light. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this now, but it's relevant. It's not relevant at this point. It's working. Okay, let's put this back together, and we'll check at night how this looks.